Have you ever wanted to make money online, but you got overwhelmed by all the logistics, like buying products up front, storing inventory, or just figuring out how to ship stuff? What if I told you that there's a much easier way? One where you don't even have to touch the products that you're selling. Today, we're diving into exactly how you can use Printify to start your own online business, step by step, without dealing with inventory or shipping headaches. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get into it. Step 1, getting clear on what Printify actually does. Now, before you jump in, let's quickly break down what Printify is and why it's perfect for beginners. So Printify is a print-on-demand company. Basically, this means that they handle all the tricky parts of running an online store, like printing your designs, packaging your orders, and shipping products directly to your customers. All you have to do is upload your design, list your products, and make sales. And the best part is you only pay for a product after someone orders it. No upfront investment, no risk. You literally cannot lose money on unsold inventory because you never actually buy inventory. It's a win-win, especially if you're just starting out and you don't have lots of extra cash lying around. Now, Printify also integrates easily with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and eBay. This integration means that when someone places an order on your online store, Printify automatically receives the order details, prints your product, packages it, and ships it directly to your customer. This automation saves you valuable time and helps ensure that your customers receive their products quickly. Now, even further, moreover, Printify provides a vast network of printing partners worldwide. This means you can choose print providers located close to your customers, significantly speeding up shipping times and improving customer satisfaction. You also have access to different price points and product quality levels, giving you complete control over your business operations and profitability. Step 2, picking products that actually sell. So now that you understand how it works, let's talk about what products to sell. Printify has a massive range of products, from classic items like t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies, to more unique stuff like tote bags, phone cases, posters, blankets, and even custom socks. But not every product is a guaranteed winner. So how do you choose? Start by thinking about what you'd personally buy or what's popular right now. Now, a good trick is to browse marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, and even Amazon to see what's selling. Pay attention to items with a ton of reviews because that means people are actively buying them. Jot down a list of products that catch your eye and that seem popular and easy to sell. Think about niches that are evergreen. Things like pets, hobbies, fitness, funny quotes, or trendy phrases. People love personalized or niche products, so if you pick something that you're personally interested in, you'll also have more fun selling it. To validate your product ideas further, consider using keyword research tools or trend analysis platforms like Google Trends to see exactly how popular certain product types or niches are. Now, also consider experimenting with seasonal items around the holidays or events. Holiday-themed t-shirts, festive mugs, or seasonal home decor can generate high sales in short bursts, complementing your steady sellers nicely. Step 3, figuring out what designs people actually want. All right, now let's talk about designs. You don't have to be a graphic designer to have successful designs. The key is finding out what's already working and getting inspiration from that. So you can head over to Etsy or even Pinterest and type in the product or niche that you're interested in. Let's say you're into dogs. Search funny dog shirts and you'll instantly see a ton of popular designs. Notice what they have in common. Maybe humorous phrases, cute drawings, or trendy minimalist graphics. Save these popular designs for inspirations. You can take screenshots or save images into a folder on your computer. Also check out platforms like Redbubble, Amazon, TeePublic, and Spreadshirt to get even more ideas. The more examples that you collect, the clearer that you'll understand what styles resonate with customers. Now, another powerful strategy is social listening. Follow hashtags or social media pages related to your niche and observe which posts get the most engagement. Noticing patterns in popular graphics, memes, or catchphrases can significantly improve your design choices and make your products highly appealing. So, for example, let's head over to Etsy and we'll go ahead and see what is selling for dog t-shirts. So here we can see some different t-shirt style designs. We can see that there are t-shirts with dogs on it, but there's also shirts for dogs. So we can go ahead and scroll here and sort of get a feel for not only the type of product, whether that's a t-shirt or a sweatshirt that's selling, as well as just sort of the style of designs. So you can look at this a couple of different ways. You can look at it as you can see what is selling and you can try to imitate that, or you can go ahead and see what's sort of missing from this and come up with your own design. Now, a good idea is to come up here and search by top reviews or newest. So we'll go ahead and put put top reviews. And this way we're going to see stuff with the highest amount of reviews, meaning that it's selling well. Step 4, getting your designs created, even if you're not artistic. If you're thinking to yourself, but I can't design, well, don't worry, because I've got you covered. There are 2 easy ways to get designs made. First, you can use an online design tool like Canva. Canva is beginner friendly and has loads of templates. You can easily drag and drop elements, add text, and customize everything in just a few minutes. You honestly don't need design skills to make something that looks professional. Canva even offers ready-made design ideas categorized by product type, niche, or occasion, making your task even easier. But if you want something a little more custom or unique, hiring a graphic designer from Fiverr or Upwork is super affordable and easy to get started. Just provide them with your inspiration, screenshots, and let them do their magic. You'll be surprised at how quickly and cheaply you can get fantastic designs, often for less than $20 per design. If you build relationships with good designers, you'll find that they quickly grasp your style and produce consistent, high-quality work efficiently. Now, if you want to get started with Canva, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description and choose one of their plans. They have a free plan, which you can create tons of designs for. So let me just show you how easy it is to create a design. So we were looking at some dog shirts on Etsy, and let's try to emulate something like this. So we'll come over here, and for this, we'll go ahead and maybe select social media. I'm looking for something sort of square. I guess we'll click on Instagram. That should work fine. We'll go Instagram post square. And on the template, I'm just going to type in dog. And there we go. So that is a premium template, but let's see if we can find something sort of similar. Maybe we'll come in here and filter. Let's type in golden retriever. Maybe we'll start with this, and we'll go ahead and delete that. We can go ahead and delete that. And this is looking okay, but let's go ahead and just look for a golden retriever picture on Google. And that looks like a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and save image to downloads. All right, so now I have this image in my downloads here on my Mac, and Macs have really good, just super easy. You can go ahead and click on remove background. So we'll go ahead and do that. And that went ahead and just removed the background with one click. So we'll come back here to Canva. I'm actually going to just delete that picture. We're going to just completely do this on our own. We'll come here, we'll drag this in, and there we go. Go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. We'll go ahead and get rid of these bones here at the bottom. Or actually, maybe we'll go ahead and we'll make a little border with that. So I have them selected. I'll press Command D to duplicate it, and we'll rotate it 90 degrees. Bring it over here. Press Command D one more time, and select all of these, hold Option, and just pull that over to copy it. And maybe we'll move that down a little bit, and we'll add some text here. We'll call this, maybe this dog's name is Stella, and that's really small. So we'll go ahead, make that bigger, find an appropriate font for this, maybe something like that. And we'll make this much bigger, maybe like 72. We'll spell it correctly. Boom, just like that. And we'll right click it and we'll send it back. There we go. And just like that, in just a couple of minutes, I was able to create a pretty decent design that, after looking at Etsy, is pretty on par with something that somebody would buy. Step 5, setting up your Printify store. With your designs ready, now let's actually set up your store on Printify. Now, this part is way simpler than it sounds. Once you sign up for Printify, which it's free to join, and you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started. From there, you'll just choose products from their catalog, upload your designs onto those products, and create listings. Now, take some time crafting compelling titles and descriptions. Clear but friendly wording helps customers feel confident buying from you. Now, pricing your products can feel tricky at first, but there's an easy approach. Check similar products on Etsy and eBay and price yours similarly. You want to make sure that your prices aren't too high to scare customers off, but high enough to ensure that you make a decent profit. Now remember, you pay Printify only after making a sale, so set your prices to earn a decent margin from each item sold. Consider offering discounts or bundles to encourage larger purchases and repeat buyers. Okay, so from here, to get started for free, we'll just go ahead and click on Get Started for Free. And then from here, you can either get started with Google or just an email address. And we'll go ahead and click Sign Up. So then it's just gonna ask, what brings you here to Printify? I'm new to selling online and want to get started. So for here, what best describes us? We'll just say we're an individual. What experience do you have with designing products? Choose any skills. We'll just say I'm just starting out and click Next. And we'll say I'm exploring different options. Where would you like to sell? United States. We'll go ahead and click Next. How'd you hear about us? We'll say YouTube. and click complete. All right, so here we are. Now we can go ahead and create a product. So we'll go ahead and click on create product, and we'll go ahead and select clothing and apparel, and we'll go ahead and select a heavy cotton tee. That looks pretty legit. And we'll go ahead and explore by ourselves, and we'll click got it. Okay, so now that we have, we'll come back here to this image here, and we'll go ahead and click share, and we'll go download, we'll go PNG, we'll go share, we'll go download, and click download. So that's downloading now to my downloads again. So we'll go ahead and open that up. And now you can see we have that image. So that's great. We'll come back over here to this, and we'll go ahead and open this back up, and we'll go ahead and just drop that on, and we'll go ahead and let that upload. And then we'll go ahead and just fit this on so it fits a little better. All right, and something like that looks good. We'll go ahead and just center that right in the middle there. And what you can do here is you can go ahead and select variants, so you can get different colors here. For now, we'll just keep it simple and keep it white, and we'll go ahead and click on Save Product. And that's how easy it is to download an image, create your Printify account, and start creating your very first product. Step 6, selling your products where customers already are. All right, so now you're ready to start selling, but where do you do that? You've got two solid choices here: marketplaces or your own online store. Now, marketplaces like Etsy and eBay are great for beginners because they already have built-in customers searching for products like yours. All you need to do is set up a seller account, link your Printify store, and your products are ready to sell. Each time a customer orders, Printify automatically ships the product. Easy. Alternatively, you could create your own website using Shopify. The advantage here is more control and customization, though you'll need to attract visitors yourself, which means putting in a bit more effort into marketing. But don't let this intimidate you. Social media and influencer partnerships can drive loads of traffic quickly and cheaply. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest are perfect channels for attracting targeted audiences. Step 7, getting your products noticed and making sales. Now, here's where things get really interesting: marketing. But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Again, on marketplaces like Etsy, focus on using the right keywords in your titles and descriptions to show up in searches. Use clear, attractive product photos and ask customers for reviews, which boosts your visibility significantly. Etsy ads or promoted listings can also quickly increase your store's visibility. If you're running your own store, using social media like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest is very powerful. You don't have to pay for expensive ads right away. Start by posting your products consistently and authentically. Another smart tactic is influencer marketing. Find influencers in your niche, send them your products for free, and ask them to promote them. Often, small influencers will do this happily just for free products. Wrapping it all up, starting a business with Printify really can be this straightforward. There's minimal risk, little upfront cost, and no inventory headaches. You don't need business experience, artistic skills, or big investments. All it takes is your willingness to dive in, create some products, and share them with the world. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give Printify a try and start earning some extra income online? I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or experiences below. And if you want to get started with any of the products we talked about today, like Printify or Canva or even Fiverr, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.